Actually, when I took PropNext projects, it's a quite challenge. PropNext want to introduce to the market that they are very young, fresh, to attract more youngers to join them.
For the entire design, we design in a way with more modern contemporary look. Okay, the color scheme we chose white, grey and more of a wood theme to attract more young people to this agency.
After taking the requirements, a few different presentations, the final designs, I'm thinking to give PropNext a fresh look, to get away all those old traditional furniture, to give them a full proposal for the entire interior space. I hope this project, all PropNext agents love it, willing to come here frequently and mingle around with friends.
Well, this is our pantry area. With the beautiful lighting, of course, we got a table and chair here to actually allow all our agents to come here to have a warm coffee here, and also for them to mingle around with this beautiful environment. Again, thanks for Rezt+Relax for giving us this. Awesome.
This is PropNext Boardroom, the most expensive part of our office renovation. It comes with high-tech equipment as well as state-of-the-art technology to help us create a conducive environment for important meetings. With a snap of the buttons, the meeting is on.
Welcome to Level 10 Achievers Lounge. This place is bright, positive energy and give people a very high sense of confidence in PropNext. This is where we host our team leader meetings, public seminars and also very important recruitment seminars. So we thank you for the design, Rezt+Relax for giving us such a nice place to work in. Looking forward to greater partnership with you. Thank you, John and Wilson.
Well, this is a place that I like most because the designer has done a great job. The only idea why he actually gave it to us is because he wants to have a culture of people coming together, mingle together, have an environment of open space. And that's important because why? Because we believe in PropNext, the culture of sharing. And that's the reason why the designer come up with this idea. Why don't we make it in such a way that people can actually connect easily rather than just being so secluded in the traditional old ways like the cubicle style. And that's the reason why I think Rezt+Relax has done a great job for all of us here to create this open culture of environment in PropNext.
Today I'm really overwhelmed as I stand in our newly renovated office. In fact, so many of my salespeople, we are talking about in the last 2 days, hundreds of people came to office. They were amazed. What was exciting was someone who came to the office on the 10th floor, they said, did I came to the wrong floor? That's how we have changed this renovation, and I'm extremely thankful to Rezt+Relax and their team of designers. Of the many selection that we had, Rezt+Relax came out tops in their design concept to create the feel, the environment that is not only futuristic, yet it is convenient and comfortable. And I must say, I was really impressed with the details going into every corners to say how every place that we renovate makes sense to the end user. And most important, I'm again thankful simply because they delivered it on time. This isn't a huge project, and with less than 60 days, we transformed to a new vibrant office, and we just hope our agents will grow. We are excited and wish everyone the very best. Also to Rezt+Relax, wonderful job. Well done, keep up.
We are honored that PropNext have trusted us to give them a new look.
I believe our close relationship will continue well into the future.